Hello, don't be upset if your headphone doesn't sound. Today I will show you how to easily fix these Sennheiser HD 560s headphones, so you don't waste your money buying new headphones. To fix something, you always need to understand where the problem is. Connect the headphones to a sound source, and while the music is playing, move the cable at the 3.5mm jack, and then at the body of the headphones. If moving one of these plates makes a normal sound, you know that the problem is in the place you are moving. In my case, the damage is at the 3.5mm jack. Today I will show you how to replace this jack and fix your headphones. If you don't want to change the jack, you can simply order a new replacement cable. The link to it is in the video description. If you want to learn something new, you will need to buy a 3.5mm stereo or 3-pole jack to fix these headphones. There are different types of 3.5mm jacks from cents to more dollars for piece. I will use the smaller one. Then you need to get a soldering toolkit from your grandmother. And if you are under 18, ask for permit to use a soldering iron. You will also need some heatsink tubing and super glue. Start by cutting off the damaged jack, but do this with some length of cable, as this will be used to find out the color wiring. Then get the cable at the end and stretch it. This way the excess rubber is released and the headphones will last longer. Then take the heatsink tubing, which is a bit smaller in diameter than the 2.5mm jack, which connects to the headphones body. Then with the pliers stretch the heatsink tubing a bit larger. Then put it over the jack. Connect the cable to the headphones and measure how far you can put the heatsink tubing. Mark the spot and apply a little super glue and attach the heatsink tubing. This process will make the headphones last longer, as the cable will be better locked in place. Then remove the cable outer jacket, but be careful not to damage the inner wires. Divide wires by color, but very careful, because one small wire will be at the wrong color and the headsets will not work properly after repair. Then cut off the outer cable jacket on broken jack and separate the wires by color. This is necessary to find out the wiring of the 3.5mm jack. Then thin all wires, both headphone and damaged jack wires. Then use a multimeter to find out which color wire is which 3.5mm contact. I get that green color wires is for left, red for right, red with green and gold for ground contact. Then use the pliers to widen the jack cable clamp. Then thin all the jack contacts. It will be easier to solder the wires. Then twist together the gold and the green with the red color wires. This will be for ground, thin them full length. Cut off the extra length and solder wire to the jack. Then thin the green wire, cut off the extra length and solder to the left contact. Then solder the red color wire to the right contact. Then cut off a small heatsink tubing and stretch it so big that you can get it over the jack. Then cut a small piece of insulation tape and put it between the ground and left wires, so that the headphones don't short out. Then add the super glue under the cable and clamp the cable. Put more super glue over the top and put the heatsink tubing. Then press the super glue on the contacts and the heatsink tubing and screw the jack housing tight. Then use the touch screw left and right channel test video to check that everything sounds as it should. Basically, the headphones are fixed and can be used like new again. But since you are on the touch screw channel, I will show you how to fix them even better. Take a heatsink tubing that is slightly smaller in diameter than the jack housing and slightly longer than the jack. Then stretch this heatsink tubing bigger. Then put some super glue where the cable comes out of the jack. And put the heatsink tubing over the top. This will give a much better jack look and a much better fixing of the cable. Such a repair will last longer than the phone itself. Not bad result. You should have hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks. As always, if there is any questions, feel free to post them below the video. But for now, bye.